I've been using Robinhood on and off throughout 2025. Curious to see if it's still the game-changing, commission-free broker that launched the trading revolution. Its sleek mobile design made investing feel effortless, but after exploring its growing features and limitations, I'm asking, is it still a leader or evolving beyond what made it popular? Robinhood burst onto the scene by offering commission-free trades on stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, all from a clean, mobile-first app. Since then, it's added IRAs, a robo-advisor, banking services, and AI investing tools as it leans into wealth management. Let's dive into what it does well now, where it struggles, how costs stack up, and whether it remains a smart choice in 2025. Trading on Robinhood still feels effortless. Opening an account costs nothing, and you can trade stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto without fees or account minimums. The design is intuitive, with advanced charting and order tools tucked into a sleek UI. Recent additions include Robinhood Legend, a desktop platform offering multi-chart layouts, faster trade execution, and sub-second data, now available free to all users. The app has expanded into friendly banking, offering higher interest on uninvested cash for Gold subscribers, plus a lower-cost robo-advisor investing via Robinhood strategies. And the new AI feature Cortex aims to provide personalized analysis and investment insights. Pricing snapshot. Robinhood's strength remains its free trades. The base platform is completely commission-free, with no monthly fee to get started. The Gold subscription, aimed at active users, includes benefits like larger instant deposits, margin, research tools, and lower margin rates for around $5 a month. The new robo-advisor weighs in with a modest 0.25% annual fee, capped at $250 annually. Banking offerings may introduce additional fees or have interest tied to account type and tier. What users appreciate: Robinhood retains a passionate base thanks to its slick onboarding, zero commission trades, and educational resources. It continues to resonate strongly with younger investors, earning recognition as a top mobile platform and excelling in pre-market and after-hours trading. Recently, it crossed a $100 billion market valuation amid exploding stock, options, and crypto volume, a testament to its scale and user trust. The new banking and AI tools reflect its ambition to support evolving investor needs at every stage of their journey. However, for seasoned investors, Robinhood's analytical tools remain basic compared to platforms offering in-depth research and portfolio insights. The robo-advisor and wealth tools are still maturing. There's also ongoing regulatory skepticism around their core revenue model, payment for order flow. While it enables zero commissions, critics argue it can create conflicts of interest, despite regulatory disclosures and oversight. Past platform outages and security lapses are history, but they still cast a shadow for reliability-focused users. Robinhood continues to be a standout platform for beginners and mobile-first traders. It combines low friction with compelling access to financial markets. Its latest features show promise in helping it evolve into a comprehensive financial hub. But those craving advanced analytics, institutional-grade tools, or deeper transparency may still look elsewhere. Robinhood remains one of the easiest and most powerful launchpads for self-directed investing in 2025, especially for new or mobile-first investors, but the trade-offs might grow as your investing goals do. If this review helped, show some love with a like, subscribe, and share your biggest investing pain point in the comments. Maybe I can help you resolve it next.